In this video, we will discuss one of the UI KIT option called as the Google Maps. With this feature, you can register location, description, image, etc. of your business in the Google Map and link it to your app. To create Google Map board, on Manager page, go to the Service option, then click on the Bulletin Board option. To create a new board, click on the Create Bulletin Board button. Under Basic Settings, write the name and description of your map board. Under Service Purpose, the Google Map option is available, but if you select this option, you won't be able to modify its UI features and permission settings. So, if you wish to customize all settings, set Customize option under Service Purpose and select Google Map option under UI and Features. The View Map option lets you choose the user group that can view the Google Map board menu. To complete the View Map permission setting, click on the Use checkbox button. Now click on the About Google Map option and set the API key. Now click on the Advanced setting to set initial map zoom level, initial position when user opens the map, and map type. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click on the Save button. Now to register our business location in the app, click on the Add Maps option. You'll get redirected to the Map Post Settings page. Search your location from here. Click on the red tag mark and then click on the Add button to enter the details about your company. Enter your business name, detailed address, business introduction, business contact details, and registered website here. Click on the Link Wizard button to link Swing2App feature with your map board. Set location priority number. From here, you can register your company images. Once you're satisfied with the registered information, click on the Save button. Like this, you can enter multiple locations in your map. If you want to modify the set information, click on the location and then click on the Edit button. Now let's go to the Maker page and apply map feature in our app. On Step 3 page, first select a menu by clicking on it. Go to the UI KIT option and click on the Map option. Hover your mouse over the map board and click on the Apply button and then Save button. This is how our Google Map feature will appear in our app. Location List button lets user view all your registered location. From here, user can contact you, follow direction, visit your website, and check your photos. Create your app with Swing2App now. Thanks for watching.